Magandang umaga po. Ang ating pong pag-aaralan sa araw na ito ay ang divisibility by 6. Pag sinabi pong divisibility by 6, combine divisible by 2 and 3. Ibig sabihin po, pag ang given or numbers ay divisible by 2 and 3, yun po ay divisible by 6. But if the number is divisible by 2 only, not 3, this is not divisible by 6. Example po is, okay, 624. So, ito po example ng divisible by 6. Bakit? Because the last 2 digit po is 4 divisible by 2. If you add 6 plus 2 plus 4 equals 12. 12 is multiple of 3, meaning to say divisible by 3. In other word po, 624 is the example of divisible by 6. Sana po naintindihan po ninyo yung aking topic sa araw na ito. Salamat po. Thank you po. Bye-bye.